Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your LeanSimCorp channel. Okay, so we have already created one video on global list, and there we have understood using item list, and we have understand what is the use of item list, pull from list, push to list, and more major significances of using item list. And this model is basically running by referring to item list, and on this we have already created a detailed video. You can check that out. I will also give you link in the description as well as in the I button. You can click that and watch the video earlier of this to understand global list, item list. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, in this today's video we are going to understand about fixed resources list. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if you look into this plus option, and when you go to the global list, we have item list, as a sequence list, executive list, general list, and fixed resource list, and item list. Item list we already saw. Fixed resource list, when you click in, you're going to get this type of list which I already have in here, FR1 and FR2. Let us understand the properties of this list. So before we go ahead and understand the application and how we are going to use this list to fulfill our goals. Okay, so I'm double clicking this, and when you open this list properties, you can see the fields are similar to what we have for the item list, right? Age, queue size, distance, back order, all the properties, and the checkboxes are almost same. Even in the general, if you see, it is same for fixed resource list as well. Okay, but what is the greatest stuff here is that this can be used for the fixed resources. Now let us understand the application, why there is a new use of fixed resource and how it can be used, right? The item list, if you could have seen, what we did is we were pulling the item based on the descending order, into this processor. So a full pull strategy we entered, which stated that the item which is older and in the descending order, that item was supposed to be pulled onto the processor to get processed. Okay, so our queues don't get filled up, and whichever is the oldest will be pulled first. Now what is the application here is that I want to select the processor whichever is available. Okay, and for that we are going to use fixed resource list, and by using that we are going to send to the part to that processor which is going to be available first. Okay, so now let us what I can say is what we are going to do is the output we are going to keep in this way. Then if you could look at here, we are going to have this processors available. The pull requirement we are just going to close in now, because what we need to pull is basically we need to pull the fixed resource where we are going to send the part. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we have these three processors, okay, out in here. If you see processor 2, 3, and 4, let us add these in this fixed resource. You can rename this if you want, but I'm going to keep it the way it is. Okay, and let us add the initial contents into this list. Okay, that is, we have processor 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what we're going to do, if I just reset this and run, okay, let us see what is going to happen. We are going to get these stuffs in there. Okay, now I guess yeah, we are having push to list. Okay, still active here. So what is happening, my parts are getting pushed to the item list, and this processor is pulling that from that list, hence my items are getting out from this. Now what we are going to do is we need to send parts here, not here. So let us change the send to port for these model, our testing model. Okay, when you go in the properties here, we have use list, and in the use list you can go to pull from the fixed resource list, as simple as that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically pull the processor. I'm going to send the item to the processor, which is going to be queried from the fixed resource list. I hope you have understood what I'm saying. If not, you can put it in the comment section.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available. to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.